Hugo doesn't like my toes.
It's a humane.
As soon as I wiggle my toes, he attacks them.
It's efficient to catch the crocs. It also doesn't seem to be detrimental to the animal because you can catch them, you can put
Hugo,
on them, measure them,
what are you doing?
Yeah, untie them and let them go, and then a year later you go back and there they are. Charlie has done this with hundreds of saltwater crocs, and the benefits of this study are many, both for the future preservation of crocodiles and to prevent human-crocodile conflict.
Oh, now he won't do it.
How far they travel, when and where, we can keep a better record of where to expect.
He keeps sliding his talons in between my toes and it tickles.
The monster croc doesn't need to be 6, 7 or 8 meters. The 26-footer that I came to investigate. This large adult is more than a handful for the three of us. Well, now that we've got his legs,
what are you doing, Hugo?
Great. He can't get a grip on the ground and try and roll around. However, he's still dangerous. Now, Brett's just trying to clean him up a little bit so we can get all our ropes and stuff.
Now he's
nice
doing it.
He's doing in the battles. This is actually it's an old worm. It's sort of, see it's open. Yeah. That's a serious worm. Here. It's very common in these big crocs.
Just got mad at himself.
Territories for food or whatever else they do. It's a tough life. It's amazing that they can survive a wound like that in water as filthy as this. Well, look, they've got some amazing blood. Antibacterial, it's antiviral, it's just about everything that they put in crocodile blood, it kills. Yeah, it's remarkable. And they have this amazing, even losing a foot or a leg, they have an amazing way of just sealing off the wound very quickly. Yeah, there you go, he's got a missing toe, already gone, yeah. He's lucky. All of his tail. All of those down to his
Tickle, tickle, tickle.
Yeah, he has. He has got it all, but he almost